Oh,
did I get it?
No,
no, I missed. Oh man. Say hello to Pool, guys. There, see?
Hello.
He's gonna explain everything because I don't know anything.
Not accurate though.
Yeah, well, this remains to be seen. So we'll wait to see in the comments if people start putting things in like, this guy's a liar. He's not even from Thailand.
I'm sorry.
Or the road. But we are in the mountains of Chiang Mai at the Doi Suthep.
Yes.
Look at my pronunciation, guys.
Yeah, correct.
There we go, temple. So we're gonna have a look around. And Paul is gonna be showing me around for today, which is absolutely fine with me.
Drink some water, sure.
My hello.
20 จ้ะ
Wanna try?
Yeah.
เอา2 ไม้ครับ
2 ไม้นะคะ
ไปเลย
คืนไม้นะ
เลย
บันไดขอบคุณครับ
That's good. Yeah. Yep.
There's like a sausage with like a lot of like spice.
Oh, okay.
If you go to a restaurant, right? You go to a restaurant, you seen this, you will guess it's from Chiang Mai right away. But I mean, other cities also have this as well. But the famous are like Chiang Mai.
เอาแบบนี้มีแล้วถ้าเปิดไม่ได้เขาต้องแอคชั่นเขาเขียนไม่ได้
这方面是不是有9条了的嘛？
เขาไม่เที่ยวชอบ
This is not the main spot of this mountain. It's at the back.
Okay.
Follow me.
I'm following you. I'm following you.
Usually, like when we go to temple, we have candles, flowers, and incense, and yeah, we pray using them. We believe that the incense will go all the way to, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but that's how we pray.
Right.
Put like a donation box.
Okay.
So if you pick it up, they usually just say like, "Oh, donate like as your will." Like so you put whatever like amount you feel like you want it.
Okay.
And usually it's like people put 20 baht because it's just like one note. So 20 baht for like everything, and then you take it and then you put in the donation box.
C'est sûr qu'à l'époque, dans le temps,
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
Am I in focus?
Yeah, yeah.
Am I there?
I get it?
yeah,
I got it. Hey. Yep.
I'm a good shot.
So 2 more to go.
Alright.
Try the
Okay,
small
maybe that
one.
was a fluke then.
No.
Ah, I missed.
You missed?
Yeah. That's what was hard.
Oh,
Did I get it?
No,
I missed. Oh, man. I'm so close. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ป้าก็ไม่มีคนมาเยอะบ้านข้าวอยู่บ้านน้อยอยู่เลยอ่ะมีแค่เที่ยว